Hello, my name is István Gégény. I'm a lay Catholic theologian from Hungary, and I'm so fully devoted to the synodal renewal. And we started a project in Hungary to invite as much, not just Catholics, not just the people of God, but even the citizens of Hungary to understand what is this process that was started by Pope Francis, why he invited us to work together, to think together, to make it not just a reform, but it's a renewal for the Catholic Church. And now we see the fruits in Hungary that more and more Catholics, more and more church leaders joining to the mission, of the Catholic Church. And we have a unique mission that's called Megújul, that means it's renewing. We have a website, you can find that information not just in Hungarian language, but even in English and in German, because we would like to share with others those fruits that already gained in the Hungarian nation, in the Hungarian church's heart. And we are so happy that more and more church leaders are speaking about synodality. It wasn't that's like few years before, but now I think more and more people, more and more members of the church understand why it is so important. And that's why we are here now in Rome. That's why we joined to this Jubilee of Synodal groups, to take part, be the part of the church's heart. And then when we go home, then share our experiences, the messages of Pope Leo and the messages of all the continents, regions that we heard during this weekend, to share the Hungarians, that help them to grow, to develop their synodality, their renewal in synodality, and let's work together. I think it's a very, very interesting and very, very theologically challenging thing to understand when Pope Francis said todos, how to put it into action in the daily life of the church. I think it's a very, very nice challenge, and we are really, really ready in Hungary to join in it and to answer these very interesting questions of synodality.